take a look at number 26. Another factoring problem. And we've got 25b squared plus 20b plus 4. Okay, first method, GCF. They don't have anything in common. Grouping, 4 more terms. No, this is 3 terms, so that doesn't fit. PST. Now, the different variables, I got x's here, but same idea. B squared, B, no B, and there's no number in front of your B squared. Well, that doesn't fit. There's a number in front of B squared, so go down to key number. Well, this form says x squared x, no x, number before the x squared. B squared B, no B, number before the B squared. This is key number. Well, key number, we take the number at the beginning, the 25, times the number at the end, times the 4, which gives us 100. And we're going to come up with our 3 columns. The P column, we write down all products give us 100. We got 1 times 100, 2 times 50, 4 times 25, 5 times 20, 6, no, 7, no, 8, no, 9, I don't think so, 10. 10 times 10. The S column, we add those numbers together. S for sum. 1 plus 100, 101. 2 plus 50, 52. 4 plus 25, 29. 25, 20. The difference column, we subtract smaller from larger. 100 minus 1 is 99. 50 minus 2 is 48. 25 minus 4 is 21. 20 minus 5 is 15. 10 minus 10 gives us 0. Now the number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is 20, which is right here, which means we use 10 and 10. We have a note that says your larger number in the P column is the same sign as the middle term. And what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite our middle term using those 2 numbers. Well, we got 10 and 10. There is no larger number. They're both 10. So you just pick one of the 10s. It's going to be the same sign as the middle term. Middle term is positive. So I got a plus 10b. Now, if the number we circled is in the S column, then it's S for same signs. If the number we circled is in a difference column, it's D for different signs. Now, same signs, both would be positive or both would be negative. Different signs, one would be positive, one would be negative. Well, number we circled is in the S column, which means it's same signs. So if this first 10 is positive, then the second one will be positive. Well, then we want to use factoring by grouping. So group the first 2 terms together and last 2 terms. First 2 terms, the GCF of those are 5b, and that gives me 5b plus 2. My second group, they have a 2 in common, and that gives me 5b plus 2. Now our goal is to get this parentheses the same as that, which it is, so I can factor out to 5b plus 2. And to see what goes inside the second set of parentheses, you can cross those out, what you just factored out. And what isn't crossed out goes here, which would be the 5b plus 2, which actually happens to be the same as that. So I could rewrite this as 5b plus 2 squared. This is actually a perfect square trinomial, and that's another way you could do this. I like the key number because it handles 100% of the problems that are of that form. The perfect square trinomial only works on a few of them. So let's see what our answer is. 5b plus 2 squared would be b as in Bill. Let's go check that. 26b. 26b. Okay.